Okay, everybody, today I'm going to make a different meal. It's not very healthy, and you may not even like it, but it's going to be tuna casserole in a crock pot. And all I did was I took 2 servings of egg noodles, and I already put them in the pot. I took a can of peas, and I put them in the pot. And a can of cream of mushroom soup, and it's in there too. And 3 cans of tuna. The tuna is pre-Fukushima tuna, since it's not apparently safe to eat tuna anymore, but we couponed like 1 million cans before Fukushima. Anybody needs any, give me a call. But anyway, the total calorie count for this meal is going to be 1,270 calories. That's pretty horrendous. Even for 2 people, it's 635 calories, which I still think is pretty bad. But we're sitting here at the shipper, and I do have other things to cook, but I have to eat up this tuna or it's gonna go bad. And you know I'm a cheap rat bastard. I don't want it to go bad. So I'll get back to you guys shortly. I'm not gonna make you sit through this cooking episode of the Aroma pot cooker again. I know you've seen plenty of them. Okay, the Aroma pressure cooker has just finished up doing its job, and I'm getting it hooked up. I'm gonna plate this up for you. Even though like I said, it was 635 calories for 2 servings, this is probably going to be more than you know. It'll probably be leftovers. It'll probably be a significant amount of leftovers. So let me get this plated up for you. Okay, boys and girls, it's all put together there. The Aroma pressure cooker has done me proud again. Here is what it looks like in the pot. Say hello, Spidey. Okay, now we will get back to this here shortly, and I'm going to plate it up for you, for me. Okay, and here is the end result. I know this meal has all kinds of tons of carbohydrates in it, and you know how I detest carbohydrates. But man cannot live by air alone, so he must eat something. Just ask Jeffrey Dahmer. He had to eat something too. But you might want to try it. If you're stuck in a shipper somewhere, you can throw this together for very cheap, and it's just something to eat. Remember, like and subscribe. Have a great day.